In the concept of void bequest, next section is about the section 114. It is about the rule against perpetuity. Perpetuity means never ending. The state or a quality lasting forever, indestructible. Means perpetuity means it has no end. So this rule is against the perpetuity. So no bequest is valid whereby the vesting of a thing bequeathed may be delayed beyond the lifetime of one or more person living at the testator's death. Means after the testator's death, some certain period will be decided, and after that the property should be disposed to the another person. So it says that the vesting of the thing bequeathed may be delayed beyond the lifetime of one or more person living at the testator's death, and the vesting of a thing bequeathed may be delayed beyond the minority of some person who shall be in existence at the expiration of that period, and to whom he attains a full age and the thing bequeathed is to belong. It means that the policy of the law behind the rule against perpetuity is that the property should be in somebody's use. It should not remain idle or stand in abeyance, means not in use, because it should be detrimental to the nation's interest and productivity. Means after the death of testator there is a certain period, and after that period the property must be disposed to the another person. Means when the thing is bequeathed and it may be delayed. Why it is delayed? Because the person is under a minority. It may be delayed beyond the minority of some person who shall be in the existence at the expiration of that period, but that person must be in existence at the expiration of that period, and to whom, if he attains the full age, the thing bequeathed is to belong. Means after when that person attains the majority, means when he becomes above 18, then the thing which is bequeathed to him will belong to that person. Rule against perpetuity.